What do bowls of pasta, mac, cheese, and pancakes all have in common? You would be right if you said, they are tasty, but they have a lot of carbs and can make you tired and irritable. Even though a diet full of healthy carbs is good for us in moderation, you might be ready to try something new for spring after a long, cold winter. Don't worry, we will take care of you. We took some of the most well known foods high in carbs and found a tasty, low carb version that will satisfy any craving. But before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel, Genius Insight, and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates, as we're gonna make more videos on interesting topics in the future. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe to it. Now let's get started. A low-carb substitute for rice. Cauliflower rice is a popular rice substitute. Pulsing cauliflower florets can make homemade cauliflower gravy. If you are short on time, most grocery stores sell cauliflower rice. Another popular vegetable-based rice substitute is broccoli rice. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that can mimic rice. Cauliflower and broccoli rice mild flavor doesn't overpower dishes. A 34-cup serving has 4 carbs. Chickpea flour may not be your best bet if you're looking for something grain-free. Low-carb pasta alternatives. Traditional pasta's taste and texture make it difficult to find low-carb versions. Still, you have options. Dieters replace wheat-based spaghetti with zucchini noodles, spaghetti squash, or spiralized carrots. You can buy pre-packaged or spiralize your own. Other products are dried legumes or vegetables. Edamame pasta is grain from edamame bean flour, like spinach pasta. Edamame flour has 6 net carbs per serving and is high in protein. Black bean pasta is high in protein and low in carbs, with 8 grams per serving. Hearts of palm pasta is another option. This alternative is flavorless, so it's a vehicle for sauce. 4 grams of carbs per 3 on serving. Low-carb alternatives to bread. With the rise of keto diets, food manufacturers are using arrowroot flour, flaxseed meal, and almond flour to make low-carb bread alternatives. Sola bread contains wheat gluten, arrowroot, soy, and flaxseed meal. 7 grams of carbs per slice, half of white or wheat bread. Keto Thin from Julia's Bakery combines eggs, water, cream, cheese, and almond flour. 1 gram of carbs per slice but 12 grams of fat, with only 5 grams of carbohydrates per slice. Kiss My Keto uses wheat gluten, eggs, and oat fiber. Thin Slim Foods 7-gram carb per slice bread is made from an oat fiber, flaxseed meal, and chicory root. Base Culture's 8-gram carb keto bread is another grain-free option. This low-carb brand uses almond butter and flour unlike most. There are slightly more carbohydrates, 12 grams per slice, in Dave's Killer's Power Seed bread, but there are also more health benefits. There is 240 milligrams of essential fat omega-3 fatty acids in this low-sugar recipe made with wheat flour, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Low-carb milk alternatives. An 8-ounce glass of sugary milk has 12 grams of carbs, lactose. Hemp milk, 0 carbs. Pea milk, 0 carbs. Almond milk, 1 carb. Flax seed milk, 2 carbs. Coconut milk, 2 carbs. Soya milk, 4 carbs. And almond milk are popular milk alternatives, 8 carbs. Each milk alternative has advantages. Hemp and flaxseed milk contain omega-3 fatty acids. Soy milk, potassium, and almond milk, vitamin E. Walnut milk has an earthier flavor than almond or cashew milk and contains omega-3 fatty acids. Not all dairy-free milk alternatives are low-carb. Rice and oat milk are both grain-based and high in carbs and calories. Choose unsweetened options to limit your carb intake. Unsweetened options are made by soaking nuts or seeds in water, blending, and straining. Low-carb alternative to potatoes. Potatoes are carb-rich starchy vegetables. Low fiber means high net carbs. This quickens blood sugar. Most of root vegetables have enough starch but fewer carbs to replace potatoes. Celery root, rutabaga, turnips, and parsnips can be roasted, boiled, or mashed. Cauliflower can replace mashed potatoes and rice. You can mimic whipped potatoes by boiling cauliflower and mashing it with sour cream. So, that's all for today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Please let us know in the comment box which one you find the best, and do recommend some topics you want to see in the video in future. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family if you like the video. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.